today let's start with chapter number 7, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So let's start with the chapter what is artificial intelligence and what are its uses. So why artificial intelligence? So here you will see a car that drives on its own. Yes or no? So have you ever wondered how an iPhone will be able to recognize the eye of user? So how an Android phone will be able to recognize the fingerprint? All devices have something common in them to tell us the use of artificial intelligence or AI. So what is this? It is an AI which has ability of a computer or an electronic device to think and learn. So with AI computer devices, they are now doing tasks that are usually done by people. So some of these tasks include pressing of language, problem solving, and learning. So artificial means to something that is made or produced by human then occurring naturally. It is especially a copy of something natural. So you already know the difference between natural and human made things. So something in which is made by human, right? It is a copy of natural object that is called artificial. So artificial leg is a human made object. Now what is intelligence? So intelligence is the ability of person to gain knowledge and skill which is applied. It is a machine that can be explained as intelligence created in the machine artificially by the human. So, have you ever wondered how child start to speak? So, the child does not know the meaning of many words. A child learns new words from the family surrounding, and gradually it learns the words and their meaning and can also form sentences. So, in the same way, making AI machine is like machine a computer brain. You help it to learn by giving a lot of words, pictures, and numbers. If the computer hears your answer, lot of question, quickly answer those question later. Now, but an AI machine only knows what you show it and tell it, so it is not smart as you are. So, what are the uses? So, first it is movie recommendation. Here, your parents or you ever searched for a movies on Hotstar, Netflix, and Amazon, right? So it's received recommendation and it is based on what you have searched. Then we have chatbot. You would have observed that many websites have chat option. These chatbots are not run by people. They are run with the help of AI. Chatbots are AI program that can chat with you online. जो आपके साथ online chat करते हैं. Then we have search engine. Most people use this search engine and they use Google, Bing, Yahoo. Every day all the search engine use AI to rank the website in your search result and it is possible due to AI. Now, can you think some other example of AI that you use every day? That is smart speaker, Alexa, which understand your voice and answers the questions. तो हम कहते हैं ना Alexa play this song, तो ये आपकी voice को recognize करता है. Then we have self-driving car. When you have understood the different example of AI, which is similar, you will soon start recognizing the role of artificial intelligence. So it is used in a lot of devices nowadays. Scientists predict that artificial intelligence will play a major role. Jobs in the future will also need us to understand how AI works. Then we have doctors which use AI to diagnose the patient and medical senses. Then we have astronaut, so use AI models to detect exponent system. As a child, you may know that what you want to be, and when you grow up, you're like teacher, you want to become a lawyer, entrepreneur, actors in near future. But whatever you will become, there is a good chance that your job will require you to use a lot of AI. What you have to use, you have to use different AI, right? This is all for the today. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.